Hello traders, Nancy Pelosi here. That's Nancy from Involio, coming to you live from the Edge Discord, where we happen to trade every single day with power, precision, and profitability. Now you've seen the wins, you've seen my portfolio online, you've heard the numbers, and today I'm going to go ahead and pull back the curtain on the exact process I use to dominate swing trades, day trades, not only on my personal exchange, however, also on Involio. Now here's the reality. 80% of the time, price is stuck in a range. 80% of the time, it's ranging. And that's where I thrive. While everybody else sits there and hesitates. So if you're here to stop guessing and you're ready to trade like a pro, and if you like this content, we're a group of serious traders with live setups, real strategy, and zero fluff. We have links here in the description, so jump into channel 17, Involio Discord channel. I'll see you there, guys. Today I'll be breaking down this very simple yet effective trading strategy into 3 distinct steps. You will know where the market is going and be well positioned to capitalize on any market movement. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have support and resistance levels and you can identify them crystal clear. Number 2, you need to have confluence of Fibonacci zones, major levels, or both of them. Then you need to ask yourself, is the price action confirming the setup I want to take? If you get 3 yeses, then you enter. I'll show you guys how to do this real quick, but if there's anything less than 3 yeses, then you don't do it. Let's get it. Here's Bitcoin, 4-hour chart. You mark the 4-hour resistance. Then you add the Fibonacci for a perfect confluence. Now this is key. We're going to wait for price to react. For shorts, we wait for what we call a bearish engulfing or a shooting star candle. And then for longs, we need more of a hammer or a bullish engulfing signal. So if there's no confirmation, then there's absolutely no trade. It's that simple, guys. There really is no trade. We have to have a confirmation. Okay, so now back. Okay, the first touch, no signal. We skip it. I don't care. We skip it. Second touch, you get a bearish engulfing candle. That's the green light for us, guys. We short here. We get that bearish engulfing, we short. Stop loss where? Above the candle's high. Boom. On the 5-minute chart, we even see a shooting star. Double confirmation. That's what I like to see. Double confirmation. What happens? Price drops cleanly. We close the support. The 0 point of the Fibonacci is the support here, and that's where we close. Risk to reward, simple math, textbook. 1 to make 20, guys. $100 you risk, you walk away with $2,000. From where I'm from, where I learned how to trade, this is what you call asymmetric risk. And what's asymmetric risk? It's what we want to see: small losses, massive wins. Okay. So now we can watch this play out. All right, I know you guys are like, oh, you could have held. Look, if you want to hold it. Be unprofitable. That's fine with me. I don't care. I'm not holding it. Sure, you could, but this is a range strategy, guys. We always pay ourselves a range strategy. I know what I always want to get that paycheck. At support, we pay ourselves because we trade the chart, not our feelings, not our rent, nothing else. Another setup, Ethereum. All right, so we got the 4-hour here. Support flips to resistance. Fibonacci confirms it. What does price do? Price retests. Bearish engulfing candle prints. Entries locked. And this becomes a clean, repeatable, no emotion trade. You see the price. It falls perfectly. Now for longs. Let's flip the script. Let's go for longs. You see price breaks resistance here. It comes back. Prints a hammer. We buy. Okay, so then where's your stops go? Your stops go below the candle. And your target is resistance. Again, it's the same thing. Okay, so it's the same system, the same rules, the same edge, you'll get the same results. Profit. This works everywhere. Crypto, Forex, stocks. Let me show you. Right here, we get the daily level. With the daily time frame, we get the daily level this time. Price breaks below support, retests, and then it forms a hammer candle. So what do? We go long. You see what happens to price? It rallies into resistance just like clockwork every single time. It's the same system, just a higher time frame. All right, so now, again, bullish setup. One more, okay? So support becomes resistance. You use the Fibonacci, confirms the zone. Price retests. The bullish engulfing candle fires off. We buy. Price breaks. It runs smoothly. All right, simple, repeatable, highly profitable setups. That's what I'm all about. That's what Nancy's all about. You can join Nancy. You can be against Nancy. All right, most of the market's against me. So, but important, okay? The Fibonacci, it cannot be used alone. You have to have the confluences, the confirmation, clean executions. You have to. Every single time you have to write these rules down, put them in front of you. If you don't have the 3 rules, you don't take the trade. It's that easy. Now, this is what makes the system reliable and repeatable. Now, even on a higher time frame, it works. Monthly resistance. You see here, you got monthly resistance plus the Fibonacci confluence. You see it on the Bitcoin. Price retest. Bearish engulfing prints on the 1 hour chart. Then we short it. Stops above the candle. Price dumps. Look, guys, it's one plan. Multiple confirmations. It's the same result. Clear results. Okay, no indicator. It's just you and the charts in this little tiny checklist. 3 steps. Trading. It's not guessing. It's about having a blueprint, having an edge that allows you to repeat the winning edge over and over again multiple times inside the market daily. You want to mark your levels. You want to find your confluence. And you want to demand confirmation. You have to. Then you execute with a small risk, and you get a big reward every time. That's Nancy's advantage. That's the edge advantage. You trade the edge. You leave the guesswork behind. So if you want to dive deeper into this, if you want to know more about trading on Involio or trading as a whole, whether it's scalping, day trading, swing trading, crypto, Forex, or indices, just go ahead and come on over to the Edge community on Involio Discord, Involio.com, and go ahead and check us out. You'll find beginner, advanced models, live calls. We do daily streams. Really, it's a team of us we're all about precision, profit, and power, and putting that inside of your hands and allowing you to run with it and better your life. This is Nancy Pelosi, out.